In this tutorial, I'll show you how to log in into Spotify on your PC. First, open any web browser on your PC and type spotify.com in the address bar and press enter. At the top right, click login and then type your email or username and password. Check Remember Me if you want the browser to save your details and then hit the login button to access your account. Or you can click download on the Spotify website. Open the downloaded file and follow the instructions to install. And once installed, open the Spotify app and click login if you have an account or sign up to create one. Input your email or username and password and enable Remember Me if desired. And then click Login button. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.